Ho 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 and Merry Christmas to y'all. My name is Alexander Obitz, I'm 26 years old and today we're doing a video about why we do have hiccups. Because it's a very normal part of being a human being. It's a very normal part. Normal part. There's nothing normal about having those hiccups. It's so unnecessary. Sometimes I just stop myself and I think about all these unnecessary things we have within our lives. Like, why are we going to the toilet? Why are we eating? And now, why do we have hiccups? Because what is it good for? And it happens within all these weird, awkward situations where you just don't want them to be there. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna be late for work. Fuck! Now I have to switch claws again. Oh my fucking god!
Jimmy, welcome to your job interview.
Hi.
Let me just ask you a few questions quickly, all right? So tell me why you want this position.
I have been working with different kind of companies through the years.
So now tell me a little bit about your experience with telecommunications. Can you tell me a little bit more about that, please?
I have been working with different kind of companies through the years. One called Actimizer, which is a which is a company where we called the customers using their the data through the CRM systems.
So what could you bring to the company with your skill set?
Well, to be honest, I spent a lot of time.
Would you like a glass of water, perhaps?
I'm very sorry.
I think that's enough for today. We'll let you know about your position.
So you call me back tomorrow?
We'll see about that.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You as well.
I am really so sorry. So sorry, Patricia.
Excuse me? You're so late. You've made me wait exactly 1.3568 minutes, and that is too much for me. I have places to go and people to see, and I do not have time to tolerate waiting for you.
I was at a meeting. I'm late. I know, but can we just please do this casting?
Do you know who you're dealing with? The next biggest star. So treat me like one, okay?
It's very unprofessional of me. It would never happen again, I promise. Now, can we please go back to the casting? You are about to become the great, the most amazing actress and singer in the world. Patricia the Great! Let's do this, okay?
Very well. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes. It's okay. Yes, sir, 3.
I'm really sorry. Continue.
Bags full, 1 for the master and 1 for the tame. 1 for the little boy who lives down. Do you have to hiccup every single time?
Oh, it's so stressful because I've been on work. But the casting went very well.
Peaceful.
Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Sen.
should just do this another time.
Next
It's
Tuesday?
clearly not working for you.
Next Tuesday?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
I had a really nice time tonight.
Me too. So, you enjoyed the dinner?
Yeah, I enjoyed the dinner.
And fish for you is okay?
Yes.
Yeah. And what about the flowers?
I love the flowers.
What about the chocolate?
And the chocolates.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
And was it too much with the necklace?
No, it's beautiful. I love it. You're so sweet.
No, you're so sweet.
No, you're so sweet.
You're so sweet. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Maybe dessert?
Yeah, dessert
Dessert.
sounds great.
Yes. Oh, 1 minute.
This is the most awkward thing ever.
So yeah, why do we have hiccups? I don't know. Thank you so much for watching! This is Rachel. She is one of the students actually on KFTS, which is my school. And we're doing this collab together. Say hello to Rachel.
Hey guys, what's up?
And you actually also have a YouTube channel.
I do have a channel, so...
Yes. Go subscribe to that channel. Go watch her video because we also made a collab video on her channel.
Yep.
So guys, like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. What do you think about it? Was it awkward? Was it silly? Was it nice?
Could you relate to it?
Yeah. Let us know down in the comment section below. So thanks so much for tuning in here and see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.